Hi, I'm Christy Vega of Casa Vega restaurant, and today I'm going to show you how to make cheese and onion enchiladas. You're really going to love this recipe. It is so easy you won't even believe it. So first we're going to start with our corn tortilla that I've already heated and a little bit of canola oil on a pan in the stove. Why that's so important is it makes the tortilla really nice and pliable and easy to work with. So you lay your tortilla on a flat surface and you'll add a handful of shredded Monterey Jack cheese. Perfect. And then we'll add a little bit of minced white onion. To this, we're gonna add a drizzle of enchilada sauce. And what's so great about enchilada sauce is that it's really easy to make at home, but even better, you can just go ahead and buy it at the grocery store in a can and nobody will know the difference. So we'll go ahead and we'll add a drizzle of enchilada sauce. And then we're gonna start rolling our enchilada. So we'll take one side, we'll roll it over, tuck it in, and then continue to roll it like you would a taquito. And again, always with an enchilada, one of the most important parts, so to keep it from exploding, is to make sure that your seam of your enchilada is placed face down in the casserole dish. So I'll add this to my already enchiladas that I just rolled. And what's so great about enchiladas is you can make it for a party of 2 or 20, just as easy. We'll go ahead and we'll top these enchiladas with a little bit of our enchilada sauce. Great. And then we will add a handful of the shredded cheese. You can add as little or as much as you like. I have 3 boys and they always like a lot of cheese. Great. So here we are almost done. We're just gonna place it in the oven at 350 degrees for like 3 to 5 minutes, just until the cheese is nice and melted. And here I have a finished product. This is our finished cheese and onion enchiladas, and you'll see that the cheese on top is nice and melted, and just for a special touch, I added just a handful of minced green onion to give it a burst of color. Thank you for watching. I'm Christy Vega, and have a great day.